Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover how to open the control panel. So first of all, what is the control panel? The control panel is a component of the Microsoft Windows, which means that it allows you to change the accessibility options like who can access something in your computer, also the network settings, and it can change the system settings. So that is what the control panel does. And this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So all I have to do is go to type here to search, type the control panel, and it is already here. I will just click on this and now it is open. So what can I do in this control panel? I can change the account type in the control panel. I can review the system and security of my computer. These are the system and security things. Now I can view the network status and the security things. Network and internet, it is showing everything. And now this is the hardware and sound, and this is the programs. I can uninstall a program from here. So this is what the control panel does and how to open it. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to open the control panel. So thank you for watching.